scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Economic profit is tricky. We must find Nikita's true earnings by examining her hidden costs today. Let's begin.
First, we identify the implicit costs Nikita faces. She gave up an $80,000 salary and $15,000 in rent. Adding those together gives us $95,000 total. Next, we take her accounting profit of $90,000 and subtract those total implicit costs. This calculation shows us how much she actually gained or lost compared to her alternatives. Subtracting $95,000 from $90,000 leaves negative $5,000. Option C is the winner. You nailed this tricky problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.